In this challenge, we will learn one of the usage of interfaces. The common usage of interface in Java is callback methods. Interfaces are used for defining callback methods. So what are those and how interfaces are used? We will learn it through an example. In the later sections, you will learn that callback methods are commonly used in event handling. So here for the demonstration or to understand its internal mechanism, we are doing one challenge. So I am going to explain everything from this challenge and you have to write down a complete program by yourself. Alright, so let me explain. See, in this example, there are two entities. One is a store which sells something to the customers, and daily a lot of customers visit this store, but some of the customers are premium customers for them or the member customers for them. So this store sometime offers discounts or starts some sale. So before offering a discount on the first day of the discount or first day of sale, they will inform their member customers so that they can visit early to the store and they can grab the things that they like. So this is about store. It sells to various customers, but some customers are members. Here is a customer, and this customer can become a member of a store. So becoming a member of a store means he is ready to accept the phone calls from the store in case of any sale. If they are calling him for something, he is ready to handle the call. Means he will allow the store to call him back. So call back, right? He will allow the store to call back to him. So that is a customer. Now let us turn this situation into classes and interface. What is a store? Store is a class, right? And customer, this is also a class. Then how a customer will become a member? So for member, we define a interface. Interface member. All right. Interface member. Then interface member must have one method that is public void. Automatically it is public. Okay. So just void callback. Callback. All right. So this method. So if this method is available, then he is a member. Customer is a member. So this is not a normal customer. He is a member. Means he is ready to becoming a member of a store. So he must implement member interface. Implements member. So implements member means he must have that callback method overridden, right? So we'll come to this class afterwards. Now let us come to a store. Now store class is having a lot of products and they sell so and so many things are there. We don't want to involve into details of that store. Just we want to focus on the part of dealing with the member customers. So this store will maintain list of customers, right? Whoever is a member, it will maintain list of customers. So member, MEM, array, and let us make a new array, new member, okay? And I am also creating a size here. So this is one of the property of a store. It is having a array of 100 members only. Now if you want to have unlimited number of members, then you should use array list or linked list. That you will be learning it later on. So as of now, we know about array of objects. So I am creating an array of member objects, right? So I am creating an array of members of size 100. So this store allows up to 100 members. Okay, 100 customers can register with this store. So for this, it will also maintain a counter count that is initially 0. Now for dealing with the customers, a store must have one method, void register. Void register. And it will take a member M. And what it will do? In this MEM, the array of members is MEM of count, means at index 0, assign M. It will take the member and it will keep it in its members list. You can clearly see that register method will take a member and assign him or store him inside this list of members. And then actually the count was 0. So now it should be ready for the next customer. So this is count plus plus. This is a register method inside store. So if any customer want to register himself as a member, first of all, he must implement a member interface. Then he can register himself by calling register method of a store. Then inside a store, whenever there is a sale, it will inform customers, right? So void invite sale. So it will invite all its members for sale. This method is there. So whenever a store is starting a sale, it will call this method. So what this method will do, this method will inform all its members by making a phone call, right? So I assign 0, I is less than count, I plus plus, and what it will do, from this array mem of I dot, which method it will call? See, mem is a member is an interface, it is having only one method, so it will call a method that is callback. So this method must be present where it must be present? It must be present inside the customer class. Yes, because it is implementing member interface. And how does this store know about that customer? Because the customer will register itself by calling register method, and the reference of the customer is there with the store. So whenever there is a sale, it will call this callback method of all the customers. So you can have many customers. Now, let us come to customer class. Inside this, a customer name, customer ID, and all, so many things are there, but we will focus only on callback method. So I will take only one property, that is name of a customer. And inside this, let us have a customer constructor, which will take the name, okay, which will take the name, and it will assign the name assign n. Then it must have callback method because it must override the method of a member interface. So void method name is callback, okay, so no parameters. Then inside this system.out.println, a message will appear on the screen, okay, I will visit. Okay, who is this? Who is saying that I will visit? The name of a customer. That's it. So I have given you the rough idea of a class. Actually, almost I have written everything for classes, 2 classes, right? A store class and a customer class and an interface. So pause the video here, write down these 3 things by yourself. Then I will show you main method, how to write on the main method, how they should work. Okay. So pause it and try to read the code and understand. Okay. So instead of watching again, it's easy to read the code and understand. And write on the code by yourself. I will erase few things, then I will write on main method. Okay, hope you have done it. Let us write on the main method here. See, main method, public static void main. Okay, this will be in a separate class, definitely, application class. Public static void main inside this one. First of all, create an object of store. Store s assign new store. A store is created. So there is one store in a locality. Now next, create an object of customer. So this is customer C1, first customer, and his name is John. This is first customer. I will create one more customer, customer C2, and this is new customer, and his name is Smith. Okay, so there are 2 customers, 1 store, 2 customers. Now store.register, this method is called, see this method is called register. And who is registering? C1 is registering. So can I pass a C1 to this one? Yes, C1 can be passed because C1 is implementing member interface. So it is a member. Yes, it can be assigned. So it is passed. C1 is passed. Then in a store, register C2. C2 has also registered. Both the customers have registered. Now store is calling invite sale. So when it calls invite sale method, then this method will call callback method of all the customers. So 2 customers are there, both the customers, this callback method will be called and it will display their name. So the first object John will appear, second object Smith will appear. So that's it. Copy this main method and complete the program and do it by yourself. Pause the video and do it if you want help. I have already written the code, just I will explain and execute the code and show you. So before that, you try it, pause the video and try it. So hope you have done it by yourself. See here, interface, member is there, which is having a callback method. Store, which is having members. I'm taking 10 here. Count is 0. And there is no need of constructor for this one. So we are adding only the required code, right? A register method is there, which will allow a customer to register himself. Invite sale will call back all the methods. Then this is a customer, which is implementing member. There's a name and the constructor is there. Callback method, it's overridden, right? So, okay, I will visit the name of a customer. Then here I have a store. I have two customers, C1 that is John, then C2 that is name of a person Smith. Both are registered. Then invite all the customers on sale. Let us run. When they are invited, so the call was gone to Mr. John and he said, okay, I will visit. That was from John. And call was also made to Mr. Smith and he said, okay, I will visit the store. And that was from Smith. So that's how callback methods works with the help of interfaces. So hope you have done this program. If you have not done it or if you are facing any problem, you can check the resources, you will find the code. That's all in this video.